Hello everyone, in this video I will going to teach you on how to perform arithmetic operations, sorting and charting using Microsoft Excel. So let's start. First things first is to create a new workbook. Yeah. So let's put 10 rows of grades. Let's label it with grades. Randomly lang to. Okay. Ayan. And then sa row 2 naman is name ng students. And then, lagay lang tayo randomly. Wait lang. So, ayusin lang natin. Centralize natin para mas magandang tingnan. Ayan. So, next is I am going to perform the 4 arithmetic operations, which are the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Ayan. So, since nalagay natin, ganito lang yan. Equal sign, and then click mo lang yung gusto mong i-add. Then yung plus sign, and then yung number, and then enter. Subtraction naman, equal sign ulit, and then yung select mo, and then yung minus sign, then click mo, and then enter. Multiplication naman, as is, equal sign, click ka lang, and then yung asterisk, and another number, then enter. Division, then ulit, equal sign, tapos click ka lang yan, and then the slash sign, and then click mo lang din yung, yan. Then enter na. Yan. Next naman is, isusort natin siya into ascending, yung mga numbers. Sort lang natin. Ayan. Sa names naman, from A to Z. Ayan. And then next is, let's create a chart. Pili lang ako. Copy muna natin to. Yung chart, ito. Pie chart na lang. Pie chart. Yeah. Data labels. Natin yung number kasi hindi masyadong malinaw. So, may font color tayo. Ayan. And then, change lang natin yung title sa full name ko. Oops! Lagay lang natin yung name. Ayan. And Control S to save. Ayan, na-save na siya. So, that's all. Thank you for listening and I hope you learned something from me.